So over the last 18 months, we've developed Express BiFolds Direct, which is an offshoot of Express BiFolding doors, and they are off-the-shelf sizes of pre-made manufactured doors.
Everything that we do is bespoke, loads of choice. Customers come into all our showrooms and they try to pick the perfect things for their home. But we also know there's a market where people, they know what they want. They might want a simple bifolding door to replace their existing sliding doors, roof lights. So Express BiFolding Doors Direct is exactly the same company. Everything's made in the same place, the same standard, except customers, rather than dealing with a salesman or going to a showroom, they can literally visit the website, pick the product that suits them, configure it online and order direct. And the nice thing about Express BiFolds Direct is we've made a large selection of pre-made products. So you've got bifolding doors, entrance doors and flat roof lights that are all readily available and stocked in our warehouse. So you go on site, order them online, free colours available, and we'll have them delivered to site within 5 working days.